Hey Fred, here's your unit. We're going to assemble it over the weekend. Aaron never got back to us on length of cable and the other stuff we were looking for, so I didn't know if you wanted two directional on the magnet switches, so we just included that in the kit too. So indicates the lights. We'll have total instructions how to hook up everything. With the cable, we've gone 50 feet for the magnet sensors for one direction, and then the other for the other side is another 50 feet. You got 40 feet between the two crossings to hook up to the control box. Like it says, I went above and beyond. So the connectors, all he's got to do is wrap up the end of the wire, run it through your PVC tube or whatever you guys are using for to hook up the two crossings. So it'll be all indicated. This is the wireless remote. I'll give you a few of them. Green button here indicates the system on. I forgot I got one bell hooked up. That's how loud the bell will be. That's only one bell. So basically I'm gonna hook the bell. So system goes on with the green light. Adjustable rheostats, so you can make the mimic of the real railroad crossing, and then the bells will be on its own circuit. Complete wiring diagram, all the information. That is the adjustable for the LED lights. These are the magnet switches. So shut the A button off, and then if you want to use the magnet switch, so basically that turns it on. Then at the end point, that'll turn it off, and then when you go in the other direction, that'll turn it back on, and that will turn it off. LEDs will be mounted on the side so the operator can see that, and then the other control box or the assembly will have a tube coming down with that emergency stop button. I'll have the type that you twist it pulls out to turn on, and then push it in to shut it off. But that will turn the system on too. That'll be all one complete video of everything together, so you see, and then we'll pack it up and get it out to you. Sorry for the delay. It's been a long 6 months. This is Bart with Mad Dogs Trains. Thanks.